In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Tasks. If you've ever tried to look for something inside Google Tasks and couldn't find a search bar, you're not missing it. There isn't one. Google Tasks, whether you're using it on the web or the app, doesn't include a built-in search feature. That means you can't run a full search the way you might in Gmail or Google Keep. But there are simple, reliable workarounds that get you close, and I'll walk you through them. First, on desktop, use your browser's Find tool. Open Google Tasks from the sidebar in Gmail or Google Calendar. With tasks visible, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on a Mac. Type a keyword from the task you're trying to locate. Your browser will highlight any matching text that appears on the page, including task titles and visible details. A quick tip here. Expand any subtasks and scroll through your lists so the browser can actually see them. If a task is collapsed, hidden in another list, or marked completed and tucked away, the Find tool may skip it. This method is fast and simple, but remember, it only searches what's currently shown, so it won't index everything behind the scenes. Second, if your tasks have dates, you can search via Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar and use the search bar at the top. Type the keyword you're looking for, and Calendar will return results that include tasks with due dates matching your term. This is helpful when you consistently add dates to tasks you care about. The limitation is important, though. Undated tasks won't appear, and you won't get a full sweep of every note or detail. Just those dated items Calendar recognizes. Because search is limited, the best long-term strategy is to organize so you don't need to search as often. Create multiple lists for different areas of your life, like work and personal, so your tasks are naturally grouped. Use clear, scannable task names. Start with a strong verb and include a keyword you'll remember. Add due dates to important tasks to make them discoverable in Calendar, and use stars to mark priority items so they surface quickly. Over time, this structure makes it easy to spot what you need at a glance. To recap, there's no built-in search in Google Tasks, but you can use your browser's Find tool on desktop, search dated tasks from Google Calendar, and lean on smart organization to keep everything easy to find.